Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is an application by Facebook that lets you handle your conversations in a streamlined way on your phone. So the same messaging functionality that you have in Facebook while you are using it in a desktop browser is available to you in this application. To summarize, Facebook Messenger is a subset of the Facebook service, purposed to provide instant messaging functionality only. I should warn you that if you are conscious about your personal information and privacy, it is advisable to look around for another instant messaging service that has a better track record in respect of your personal information. You can install Facebook Messenger from the Google Play Store. Upon first starting Facebook Messenger, you need to log in with an account. You can create one here if you need to. If you have an account already, type in your username and password and go forward. Now, if you want to use multiple accounts, you can save your credentials here. Facebook wants to collect your contacts list continuously. I would suggest not to do that. You'll be fine without it. Facebook would like to collect your SMS messages also and be involved in your messaging. I would recommend not to do that either, as you'll be fine without it also. Great, let's move on. On the main page, you have your latest conversations, but now you have advertisements here also. The trick here is that it looks like one of your conversations, but it is an ad. So always check for this ad icon before tapping on any of your conversations. Up here you see the currently online friends of yours. You may search here for names or past messages. To start a message, you have several options. Tap on any of the previous conversations you had already, or tap on someone's name who is currently online, or tap on the pen icon and enter the name of the friend or friends to whom you would like to talk. Now, when you open up a conversation by any of these means, this is how it will look like. Down here you have a text field where you can type in your message and send it with the send button. You may send short audio messages with the microphone icon. Upon first using it, you'll need to permit Messenger to record audio. You may play them back with the play button. Next to the microphone icon is the gallery icon. Tap on it. This sheet contains your last photos and images. Tap on one of them. Now, there is the number 1 sign and we have got 2 buttons here. This means that we are in a multi-select mode. Tap on a few more images if you'd like, then press send. Tap on an empty space to close this off. Now press on the camera icon to capture something. Upon first use, you'll need to enable the camera permission for Messenger. Now, tap on the shutter button to snap a photo. Press the send button to send it. Let's go there again. But this time, hold down the shutter button to record a video. Release it when you are finished. Press the send button to send it. Now you can send smileys, emojis, GIFs and stuff like that in Messenger also. First of all, you have this like icon here. If you press it, you will send a like emoticon. Fun fact, you may hold it down to send a bigger like. Press on the smiley icon to browse things to send along in your conversation. You have the classic emojis here. Switch to GIFs and search for an expression. Now, go to stickers for some animated graphics. You may initiate video or audio calls too. Just press up here to start an audio call or a video call with someone. During a call, you have the standard controls right here. You may mute your microphone with this one. Disable your camera with this button or end the call with this one. That's all about Messenger. See you in the next video.